Hi guys, and welcome back to EB's Emporium. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make a homemade squishy. So let's get started. So you're going to need a balloon, and you're going to need a sink, and you're going to need you. So first you're going to take your balloon, and you're going to stretchy the blowing part out. Stretchy like that. Stretchy, stretchy, stretchy. All good. And now we are going to fill it up with water. So I'm going to do that real quick. I'm going to check the squish factor to make sure it's squishy enough for you. Squishy, squishy. And then you're going to tie it. So I'm going to tie this over the sink. For you and this is all dry. Now you're going to test the squishy test. If it's squishy enough, then we're going to move on to the next step. Next step is optional, but if you want to put like a smiley face or like name it, or Bob the Squishy, Bob the Squishy. One way you could do that is you could take like tape or something, write it on there, and then put it on your balloon, because it might be hard to put it on your balloon and then make it sure it doesn't rub off on everything. So I'm going to show you how to do that step. Now you're going to take your tape, going to take off like maybe that much. Probably a little less than that, so just go like, boom. Then you're going to take like a marker, and write something on here. Bob the Squishy. Okay. Now that it says Bob the Squishy, but you don't have to name your squishy Bob, you just stick it onto your squishy. Okay. Make sure it's how you like it before you have a squishy that looks like that till it pops, which it won't pop for a little. Hopefully longer than a little. And then you have your squishy. So I know all of you out there are probably thinking it's just a water balloon named Bob the Squishy, but you can swoosh it. And do you know any water balloons named Bob the Squishy? No? So there you have it, your homemade squishy. It's also a lot. You could also do more fun things with it if you buy like a squishy maker, but this is the DIY squishy maker, your hands. So, thank you for watching, guys. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you next time. Bye!